Hey guys, this is Nikhil Nakka. So you've been knowing me since 2016 through my YouTube channel because I've been uploading some good subject oriented videos. In fact, that particular subject which has got a lot of name and a good popularity or number of subscribers to my channel in fact is the video series on electric traction. I have uploaded the full series of electric traction which has become really a sensational hit, I should say, on YouTube, because whenever you type electric traction then definitely my videos used to be on the top. So that was a good old days. So in fact that set of videos have helped many students throughout the country in preparing for their semester exams, especially where electric traction is one of the important subject in utilization of electrical engineering. Now in this video I would like to introduce about me a bit. I am a graduate in electrical engineering from the prestigious Osmania University in the Hyderabad city of Telangana state, and I am presently a practicing power distribution engineer. At the same time I have been mentoring for students as a faculty for GATE as well as many competitive exams in the field of electrical engineering past 5 years. I have mentored over 50 batches and I have content development experience in the field of competitive exams, especially in electrical engineering. And my specializations, in fact, my core specializations for teaching and content development are subjects like network theory, power systems, control systems, and measuring instruments, and electrical machines. So these 5 subjects are my core specialization subjects where I have dealt a many number of hours or many number of batches teaching and content development. All since 2016, I had this vision or I had this idea that the online education, the system of online education, the way we are interacting now would have a very great impact on the students, especially for the engineering students in the upcoming years. But this became very true when Jio has started its operation in India in the late 2016 and in the beginning of 2017, because since then it's already known by everybody that the data consumption in India, in the country, has been going up, and this is really a significant change, especially in the education sector, that many students are able to access a good quality of video content or educational content in the YouTube or in the internet for that matter, and they are able to benefit a lot, whereas before 2016 this was not available to everybody because data was also costly, and you know that thing. Since then I am having a vision of starting my own online venture wherein I could provide a best deal or best classes in the subjects where I am specialized, so that students who are basically not able to afford for the costly coaching which is available outside, because over this past 5 years I have been associated with such costly institutes based in Hyderabad and in throughout the country even. So if somebody wants to listen to my subject, they would have to pay some thousands of rupees, okay, tens of thousands, and they have to sit in the class to get that subject. Not just me, many faculties like me. But I felt through this platform which I have dreamt, I could reach even a common student, very basic student also, and I could explain him in the most lucid manner in the online platform only, because online is the way of teaching, or online is the way of learning, basically gives you a lot of flexibility and a lot of freedom as compared to offline education. And also the cost involved in online education will be very less as compared to the offline education. But I wasn't so dare enough at that point of time to start one venture or some website like that. So since then I have been uploading some good content as and when I used to be free, and most of you have been knowing me in that way. And also I have been associated with India's one of the top online learning platform, unacademy.com. I am popular in unacademy.com basically for my course on power systems, a very wonderful, very successful course called as 1500 MCQs in electrical engineering, and I have been one of the top educator in 2017 in unacademy.com. So I have been uploading and I will be uploading a lot of useful content for the basically electrical engineering students in YouTube platform through this channel, so that it would supplement the students basically who are preparing by self. Why? Because how much ever coaching you take, nothing comes in front of self-study, because how much ever you get trained in a very big institute, finally what helps you is a self-study only. So basically for self-study student, I am uploading a lot of content, and there is a lot of good content so far in this channel as on date, and also will be uploaded in future also, and upon your request also I will be uploading on-demand topics. So this is like a small introduction about me and about this channel, about this YouTube channel. And I would like to request all of you to subscribe to this channel. At the same time, in the description box given below, there are links of personal WhatsApp group where I can interact with the students who are preparing for competitive exams. At the same time, there is our Facebook group, so you could go to the link below, and I wish everybody all the best and happy learning.